Sit down in any comfortable position. Close your eyes for a moment and become aware in the scale of 0 to 10, how strong is this headache? Once you notice, find out the number. Let's begin tapping. So karate chop this way and say, even though I have this headache, I deeply and completely accept myself, I love myself, and I forgive myself. Even though I have this headache, I deeply and completely accept myself, I love myself, and I accept myself. One more time. Even though I have this strong headache, I deeply and completely accept myself, I love myself, and I forgive myself. Now tap under the eye and say this headache, side of the temple, this headache, under the nose, this headache, on the chin, this headache, center of the forehead, this headache, on one of the collarbone, this headache. Now tap the wrist together like this and say this headache, this headache, this headache 3 times. Take a long deep breath. Breathe out. And now once again, become aware in the scale of 0 to 10, where is your headache now? Has it come down or has it gone higher? Or is it still the same? If it has gone down to 2 or 3 and is it livable, then you can stop here. If you still feel that still needs some more tapping, then you can go ahead, tap onto the facial muscles. If you feel that the headache remains still the same or have gone higher, let's do tapping with me. Take the hand like this and tap on the one of the hand, either left or right, between small and ring finger. Tap there. Keep tapping. Sing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep tapping. Open your eyes. Look at my finger and keep looking at it without turning your head. Turn around. Other way around. Keep tapping. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take a long deep breath once again and breathe out. See, where is your headache now? Has it gone from 0 to 10 somewhere? Is it livable? If it's not, continue one more time the same tapping and it should be helpful. If not, then give few minutes and it should be helpful. And if you still feel that it still hasn't gone, and if you have some question, please do not hesitate to either comment below or find my email below and email me, and I will be happy to clear your queries. Thank you very much.